Good morning and welcome back, class. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, children, today we are going to start with the new lesson from your grammar book, that is adjective. Okay. So, as you have already got in your previous class about adjectives. So, can you tell me what is an adjective? An adjective, in a simple word, we can say an adjective is a describing word that describe a noun or a pronoun. Here, have a look. Dibakar Bhattacharya was our age neighbor. He was my dear grandfather's age and had always been very kind to me. He was the one who introduced me to the melodious songs of Rabindranath Tagore, the nail-biting mysteries of the Sherlock Holmes stories, and the nonsense rhymes of Edward Lear. We would often discuss interesting stories I had read or a new song I had listened to. He even taught me how to click photos using his old but sturdy Leica camera. He passed away a few years ago, but his memories remain in my heart like a bright ray of light shining through a cloudy sky. So here, this is the passage and you have to circle the adjective. Okay, so this will be your assignment. Okay, here are the adjective and I told you what is an adjective. So here you have to circle the adjective. So this will be your home assignment. So now let's see what is an adjective. An adjective describes or modifies the noun in a sentence. Example, the magnificent display of fireworks drew enthusiastic praise from the crowd. Here, first is magnificent. They are talking about the fireworks. That is magnificent. Then enthusiastic. Okay. Then next, the fat and jolly baker offered fluffy muffins to us. So what type of man? Fat man. Okay. Fat and a jolly baker. So what he offered? Fluffy muffins. What type of muffin? Fluffy. So muffins is noun. So here it describes more about noun, that muffin is fluffy. So next, now you are clear with an adjective? Alright. So now let's go with kinds of adjective. So here, adjective can be of the following type: quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. So here first is adjective of quality. So what is an adjective of quality? An adjective of quality describe the nature or quality of a person or thing, or state what kind they are. So what is an adjective of quality? An adjective of quality describe what it describe, the nature or quality of a person. Okay, quality of a person, not only person but thing, or state. That means it tell us what kind they are. For example, Alia is Pratima's eldest daughter. Whose eldest daughter? Pratima's. Who is Alia? Pratima's eldest. This is quality. Okay, eldest daughter. Then next, this is a remarkable book about the origin of the species. What kind of book? Remarkable. So next, the witch flew on a crooked broomstick. What type of broomstick? Crooked. So here, eldest, remarkable, crooked, these are quality. It is talking about the quality. Okay. So next is adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity denotes the quantity of things. What it denotes? Quantity of a things. For example, I would like some tea with breakfast. So how many? Means how much tea? Sorry, how much tea? Some tea. That is not much, but some tea with what? With breakfast. There was little rice. How much rice? Little rice left in the pot. So here some, little, more, a few. These are all quantity. Okay, quantity. Then next is adjective of number. So what is an adjective of number? Adjective of number show how many person or things there are. These are called cardinals. Then adjective of number also show the order of things. These are called ordinals. So here adjective of number. So in adjective of number we have cardinal and ordinals. So here cardinal means how many person or things they are. Okay. So when they are asking how many person, how many things, these are called cardinals. And adjective of number. The number, adjective of number which shows the order of things. Okay, when it shows the order of things, these are called ordinals. Understood? Okay, right? So let's move to next page. On the next page, see an example of adjective of number. There are 4 little birds in the nest. So how many birds? 4 little birds. So she came second in the relay race. So what position she came? Second. So here 4, second. These are adjective of number. So next is demonstrative adjective. So what is a demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective point out the specific person or things being referred to. They are these, that, these and those. So here demonstrative adjective, what they do? They point out. Means they point out, they show the exact person, the specific persons or things they being referred to. Like this is a pen, this is a book, that is a boy. Okay, these are flowers, those boys are playing. So these are known as demonstrative adjective. For example, she gave that book to her best friend. Which book? That book. And these phones on display in the stores are all quite trendy. Which phone? These phones. So that this is an example of demonstrative adjective. So here next is interrogative. So you are very clear enough what is the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are used to ask question. What is your name? Where are you going? What are you doing? So these are all interrogative adjective, asking questions. Then next is, last one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective indicate position. What they indicate? Position or belonging. Like they are, my, your, her, his, its, our, your and their. For example, there is a wonderful story about how the camel got its hump. So where is there is? Her book has won many awards because of its excellent plot. It's, her. So these are all possessive adjective. For example, my, your, her, his, its, our, your and their. So these are what adjective? Possessive adjective. I hope you are clear enough. Right. So if you find any difficulty regarding the explanation, you can get back to me as per the schedule. I hope so, children. So then take care. Have a nice day.